All right, so we wanted to just show you, this is Terraine, owner of All Terrain Cleaning Solutions, LLC. Visit us at allterrain.com for the supreme clean. You know our slogan. Please, I mean, you know, we say this with all humility, make the phone number ring and make Terraine, All Terrain Cleaning Solution, your one-stop shop. So as you're taking a look at the windows, look how they're gleaming here, right? You seen what they looked like before? Okay, we cleaned the screens off, we cleaned the tracks out, okay, around the frames. Okay, so again, we take pride and integrity on the work that we do. If you look at that window, I mean, look at that window. I mean, it's just like spick and span. They're so clean that the inside they need to be cleaning. The owner of this property, he said he's going to do the inside. But if we open this up right here, I mean, take a look at it. I mean, spick and span. We cleaned the screens, cleaned all down there in the tracks. I mean, it looks amazing. So yeah, if you're looking to have your windows clean, and you know, this is an add-on service that we do, but if you're our neighbors in the Anatolia, Wood, Sunridge, or Cavala, Somerset, yeah, we wouldn't mind coming out and helping you out and getting your windows all spick and span looking like this. Now remember, you can take a look at the before photos or in the first video, and you'll see what it looked like. But yeah, we cleaned these up amazingly. It looks really, really nice. And you know, our client, he's very, very happy and satisfied. And I mean, look at that, guys, shining. Okay, we got one other window right here, and then this one right here. And so he had the screens off as a courtesy. We're gonna go ahead and put the screen back. But look at that, just everything gleaming straight through it. If you want your windows gleaming, if you want the supreme clean, you know the slogan. What is it? Let's zoom in a little bit. The wind's nice breezy day. 916-549-5255. Gutters, solars, pressure washing, you name it. Dryer vent cleaning, roof soft wash, house soft wash. We do it all. Allterrain.com. Remember, All Terrain with a double R and an E at the end. ALLTERRAINE.com. Visit us online. Thank you for your home service cleaning needs. Thank you. Have a great day, everyone.